Waitlist management. For guests without a reservation, you have the waitlist management page. This tool helps you organize walk-ins, track estimated wait times, and ensure a fair seating order for everyone who steps through your door. When a new party arrives, simply click the Add to Waitlist button in the top right corner. You can quickly capture their customer name, party size, and phone number. Be sure to input an estimated wait time in minutes so the guest knows what to expect. Once added, the guest appears on the main list. You can easily track them by time added or estimated wait. The status column uses intuitive icons. A yellow clock indicates the guest is currently waiting. When a table opens up, look to the Actions column. Click the green Seat button to mark the party as seated and remove them from the active queue. If a party decides not to wait, use the red Cancel button to keep your list accurate. To keep your digital clipboard clean, you can permanently delete entries after they have been seated or canceled. If you have a busy night, look for the Delete All Seated option to clear out completed parties in one click. However, if you want to keep customer information and statistics, the system will automatically save everything in the background. For your convenience, the customer details shown on the screen will clear every 24 hours, ensuring your waitlist stays clean and clutter-free.